Productivity SA Transnet Enterprise Supplier Development Program 2021. The Productivity SA Transnet Enterprise and Supplier Development Program partnership started in 2014 as part of Transnet's strategic plan of increasing the competitiveness, capacity and capability of the South African supply base, where there are comparative advantages and potential competitive advantages of local supply. The partnership entails offering business development and support services for small, medium and micro enterprises participating in the Transnet Enterprise and Supplier Development Program for a period of 5 years throughout all 9 provinces. The overall objective of the partnership is to establish systems and procedures to address challenges affecting the operational performance of suppliers that may affect product or service delivery to Transnet. Productivity SA's enterprise development and support programs focus on improving the competitiveness and sustainability of SMMEs in the priority productive sectors, as adopted in the sector master plans to improve local production, with a focus on the township and rural economies. The project implements 4 interventions per enterprise over a period of 11 weeks, and since the inception of the program, Productivity SA has supported 254 enterprises across all provinces. Some of the enterprises that have benefited from the Productivity SA Transnet ESD partnership are Umzungulu Windows Pty Limited, KwaZulu-Natal; Vortex Design Solutions Pty Limited, Western Cape; Mamushalachai Trading and Projects 30, Limpopo; Integrated Stitching Pty Limited, Western Cape; and Minis Food Enterprise CC, KwaZulu-Natal. Umzungulu Windows Pty Limited is situated in Pietermaritzburg and was established in 2008. The business specializes in the manufacturing of steel leaf doors, windows and door frames for low-cost government housing and the private sector. Umzungulu Windows' main challenge was on-time delivery due to inadequate planning, lack of inventory control, deficient manufacturing estimates, and cash flow management. The following interventions were introduced. Daily 15-minute mini business meetings focusing on improving business performance and profitability. Formulation and implementation of standard operating procedures. The 5S methodology of sort, set in order, shine, standardize and sustain was implemented to assist the company to organize their workspaces, and a production schedule sheet was introduced to increase production efficiency. Through the Productivity SA Transnet ESD program, material inventory decreased from 112,000 Rand to 64,000 Rand, a decrease of 42%. Customer complaints decreased from 25 to 23, a decrease of 8%. On-time delivery increased from 60% to 75%, an increase of 15%. And staff complement increased from 10 employees to 60 employees. The implementation of the Productivity SA Transnet ESD program at Umzungulu Windows has instilled a culture of sustainability, and with the help of Productivity SA's productivity and competitiveness experts, further improvements will be implemented. Vortex Design Solutions Pty Limited is a 100% black women-owned company specializing in construction and commercial interior design. Some of their clients include Visa, Showmax, Denker Capital, Capfin and Weber Wenzel. The implementation of the program at Vortex over the financial period 2017 to 2019 included financial analysis to determine via basic ratio analysis the financial soundness of the business, analysis of cost drivers, examination of core business processes, and the establishment of a visual performance monitoring system. The interventions through the Productivity SA Transnet ESD program contributed to the following business improvements. Value added per employee increased from 25,000 Rand in 2017 to 180,000 Rand in 2019. Employees increased from 2 in 2017 to 8 in 2019. Income streams grew from 2 in 2017 to 3 in 2019. And number of clients grew from 2 to 9. Vortex Design Solutions has worked hard at establishing their brand in the industry, and with the implementation of the Productivity SA Transnet ESD program, they have improved their productivity and business performance within their industry. Mamushalachai Trading and Projects 30, a 100% black-owned business situated in Mukopane, Limpopo, was established in 2011. The company has 4 business units, namely auto-electrical, mechanical repairs, parts sales, and heavy-duty machinery. Their clients include private clients, government departments, municipalities, and private companies. The company joined the Productivity SA Transnet ESD program in 2018 with the following challenges: insufficient financial planning, resource and production planning, as well as the need for an ISO 9000 quality management system. The following interventions were implemented: financial assessment and planning, cost driver and operations analysis, formalization of core processes through the 5S methodology, performance monitoring, early warning system, problem solving as well as inventory management training. Through these interventions, cost of sales decreased by 46.9%. Gross profit increased by 0.5%. Overhead cost was reduced by 5.3%, and total cost decreased by 35.9%. Mamushalachai Trading and Projects 30's participation and implementation of the Productivity SA Transnet ESD program is a step in the right direction to increase the profitability and sustainability of their business. Integrated Stitching Pty Limited, situated in Parow, Cape Town, was established in 2017. The company supplies personal protective equipment to the engineering and mining industries. Their product range includes rain suits, freezer jackets, thermal wear, and 3-ply cloth masks, which were introduced in response to the COVID-19. Some of their current customers include the De Beers Group, Transnet Engineering, Nexa, Eskom, and Coca-Cola. Through a thorough business analysis, business inefficiency was identified as the main challenge for integrated stitching, which necessitated implementation of the following: training on costing and development of an automated costing template to ensure that product manufacturing costs are considered, improving labor efficiency and streamlining the production process through waste identification and reduction, and the training of 13 employees as productivity champions to develop a culture of continuous improvement. The interventions resulted in a clear understanding of the importance of continuous improvement and improving productivity by the team, capturing and monitoring of production data, absenteeism and reworks, implementation of inline quality checks to minimize reworks, and timekeeping methods to eliminate unrealistic targets. Integrated Stitching Pty Limited's eagerness to become knowledgeable about productivity in business endorses their mission statement of exhibiting a strong will to win in the marketplace and in every aspect of our business. Minnie's Food Enterprise CC is situated in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal and was established in 1993. the company manufactures 50 bespoke sauces, condiments, as well as marinades and basting sauces. Their retail products are listed nationally, and the company services a diverse market which includes vendors on the street corner, butchers, fast foods, independent supermarkets, and supermarket chains. The following interventions were implemented: financial analysis, capacity building training, defects reduction on bottling station, visual management project, and training of Mini's Kaizen practitioners on 5S and 7 types of waste. As a result of the implementation of the Productivity SA Transnet ESD program over the financial period 2017 to 2019, sales turnover year-on-year increased by 24.2%. Continuous improvement initiatives showed a 67% increase in production output. Profit gains increased by 723%, from 740,000 Rand in 2017 to 6 million Rand in 2019. Permanent employees increased by 15%, from 58 to 67 workers. Quality defects decreased from 14% to 8%, an improvement of 6%. Production increased by 114%, from 7,000 bottles an hour to 15,000 bottles an hour. Mini's Food Enterprises' participation in the Productivity SA Transnet ESD program has empowered their staff on lean and productivity concepts, thereby making the company more profitable and competitive within the South African market. In 2019, Transnet was one of the major sponsors of the annual Productivity SA National Awards. Through this sponsorship, 29 enterprises across South Africa were able to participate in the National Productivity Awards. 7 of those companies were Productivity SA Transnet Enterprise Supplier Development Program participants and provincial winners in the 2019 Regional Productivity Awards. The aim is to see the number of Productivity SA Transnet Enterprise Development participants increase and win in the Productivity SA National Productivity Awards as a testament to the importance of partnership and collaboration despite challenges. As Mr. Mutunye Mutiba, Productivity SA CEO, stated,
Productivity South Africa is proud to have partnered Transnet to support them in implementing their Enterprise and Supplier Development Program over the past 7 years since 2014. We're proud to announce that through this partnership, we have improved the competitiveness and sustainability of 254 SMMEs. And these SMMEs have adopted world-class productivity best practices, focusing on products, processes, and people.
Transnet's Enterprise and Supply Development Executive Manager, Ms. Lusanda Sipeka, also quoted,
"The partnership between Productivity SA and Transnet commenced in 2014. The aim of this partnership was to ensure that the SMEs are capacitated, they are developed and empowered to actually be sustainable. We had seen growth in this. The majority of the SMEs were struggling with the efficiency. As a result, they could not deliver on time to Transnet. Productivity SA assisted them with this, and as a result, we saw growth in sales, growth in revenue, and some jobs being created. We would therefore like to thank Productivity SA for the role that they've played in capacitating these SMEs and helping them achieve greater heights, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. We thank you guys so much."
The Productivity SA Transnet Enterprise and Supply Development Partnership is a true manifestation that great things in business are never done by one person. They're done by a team of people.